Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to download the 1xBet app on iPhone iOS. So let's dive straight into it. The first steps are as follows. Open the App Store. Once you're in, type 1xBet in the search bar. If the app doesn't appear, don't worry. Just go back to your home screen and open the Settings app. From there, go to your Apple ID and select Media and Purchases. Then tap on View Account. In the pop-up menu, select Country or Region, then tap Change Country or region. Scroll through the list and choose Colombia as your region. Accept the terms and conditions. If you're prompted to add a payment method, you can simply select the None option. After that, fill in your billing information if necessary, including your postal address, city, country, zip code, and phone number. Once all the required fields are filled, tap Next. Now, go back to the App Store on your device and search for the 1xBet app once again. There you go. It should now be available. Just tap Get Next to the app to start the download. Once the download is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Don't miss this secret 300% bonus that gave me $200 total on my $50 deposit. Here's exactly how to claim it. After installation, go ahead and select Sign Up. Make sure to enter all your details and include your promo code YOTV in the designated section. This will give you an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. For example, if you deposit $10, you'll receive an additional $30 as a bonus. That's awesome. Don't miss out on it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.